Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll create a project for students using Gemini scripts for Google Sheets and Google Docs. Gemini scripts is a powerful tool that allows us to automate repetitive tasks in Google Sheets and Docs. Let's get started with a project overview. Our project involves creating custom student notebooks, appending assignments, and managing the assignment template sheet using Gemini scripts. With Gemini, we'll streamline the process of generating student notebooks and efficiently managing assignments, making it easier to stay organized. Our first script, onOpen, creates a custom menu that allows us to easily run the other scripts. When you open the spreadsheet, you'll see a Gemini Student Notebook scripts menu. This lets you run our scripts with a single click. This script generates a Google Doc notebook for each student using a template. We'll iterate through student data in the spreadsheet, and for each student, we'll create a new document from the template. Using the document template, we'll create personalized notebooks, naming each one after the student. We'll share the document with the student's email address, ensuring they have edit access. Finally, we'll update the spreadsheet with the URL of each student's document. This script adds the current date as a heading and appends assignment data to each student's document. We'll append today's date as a heading 1 to each document for clear organization. Then, we'll append a table of data from the assignment template sheet to the end of each student's document. This script creates a copy of the assignment template sheet, renames it, and clears its contents. We'll make a copy of the template sheet, ensuring the original remains untouched. We'll increment the name of the copied sheet so that subsequent assignments are labeled sequentially. Finally, we'll clear the contents of the original assignment template sheet, making it ready for the next set of assignments. With these Gemini scripts, we can efficiently create student notebooks, manage assignments, and archive completed. Let's recap the scripts we created. onOpen for menu creation, create student documents for notebook generation, append assignments for adding dates and data, and backup and erase for template management. Gemini scripts streamline student notebook creation, assignment management, and template handling, making it easier for both students and educators to stay organized and productive.